After weeks of blocking, closing in the bottom of our floor, insulating, and then installing vapor barrier, it's finally time to install the plywood flooring. With each sheet we laid down, the cabin really started to come to life. You could really start to picture what it's going to be like here one day, warm, cozy, and finished. Okay, so this is our 5/8 plywood, tongue and groove, that we're going to be putting on the floor.
This end looks a little nicer to be on the outside edge under the door and stuff.
And then how to line them up is that we know we have the center line already marked. Where's the center line?
This seam is the center line.
All the way across, yeah. We line that up.
And the fold of the plastic is on it too. So once I make a 2-foot mark on this thing, we're basically going to just set them all down there. They should all touch nicely and square on these ends. And then we'll be ready to nail them.
Sweet. Marker. Measuring tape.
Thank you.
So, marking the 2-foot.
You stand on this one. Oops. Go good. Right? Yeah, check it. And pretend you're walking in at the edge of the plywood in a door. Then walk all the way to me.
Okay, so entering the building. This is the living space, kitchen, which is still part of the kitchen.
Spiral. That'll take the plywood.
And this is going to be the washer dryer. And this is going to be, I'll enter the bathroom, enter the bedroom. So this is where our water line and electrical is going to come in through the building. So we're just creating a box made out of pressure treat plywood that's going to go around this wire and this water line. And then we're going to stuff it with insulation, and it also has a heat trace on the water line as well. Is it?
Yeah. Hold that. Think this will be all right?
Yeah.
I gotta adjust that in one. Beauty. I'm starting to think we might just have to just cut it all the way to the beam. Well, might as well. Then you have a nice, flat, strong surface there, and screw the box through as well, right?
You're on the plastic. Here, pass it up to me.
Just go like this.
Okay, a little bit more. Yeah, so we're just tracing it and we'll cut it out.
That's it. I just needed a start, you know?
Yeah.
We want it all the way down. Can you see in there?
Yeah, it's gonna go more.
Okay, well, you just hold this up over here and down.
Yeah. More. Yeah, it's pretty much at the bottom now.
How's that?
Jesse's just cutting the plywood around our electrical and our water supply line coming up into what will be our mechanical closet. And then I'm just marking lines in the center of floor joist, so when Jesse goes to nail them in, he knows that he's in the center of a floor joist. That looks good.
Is this good to go?
I think so.
How's that?
That's good.
Okay, now,
Oh, wait.
now try and fill it. Yeah, there. See that?
Oh, yeah, that moved quite a bit. Keep going. A little bit more.
That's about it.
Yeah. Okay, so we're just finishing up our last little bit of plywood for our floor. Just have to put another piece of vapor barrier along that edge there, and then we can move along with our plywood. Now that our plywood floor is fully installed, the cabin really starts to feel like home. It's amazing how much difference a solid floor makes. It's the first time we can truly walk through and imagine the rooms taking shape. Next time, we'll be framing our end walls. Then we really get to see the iconic A-frame shape. See you soon.